Hi all, welcome to our rytech channel on PHP tutorial. I am excited to teach you PHP today because PHP is going to allow you to create everything from a simple web pages with dynamic content to full-featured web application that connect back to databases. You'll be able to develop websites that are better and you'll be able to build much more efficiently. If you have been using HTML to develop websites, or perhaps after watching my series of tutorials about HTML and CSS, the PHP is the next great step for you. It is also a great introduction to computer programming if you haven't done anything yet before. Because the fact that PHP is so popular, I hope you are coming to this video not to just learn PHP, but to first find out what it is and if it is right for you. Before we dive more into PHP, I hope you already have a good foundation on HTML, because PHP is going to build on a foundation of HTML to resolve a web page through a server. Some basic knowledge on how to style HTML with CSS will be helpful, but it won't be necessary. So before I end this video, let's take a look on what is PHP. So here at the bottom is very simple web page written on both HTML and PHP, and on the top of it is the code for it. So the PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a server-side scripting language. Now you may be thinking to yourself, oh, I thought PHP is a programming language. How is programming language different from scripting language? A scripting language does something only in response to events, while a programming language could do things even when it's not responding to events. JavaScript is an example of another popular scripting language, but unlike the JavaScript, PHP will going to run on server side, not on the client side. Now, when we are talking about server and client side, we are talking here about web server and user browser. The client will be our user browser, so the PHP will run on a server, not on a user's browser like JavaScript. And because PHP runs on a server, that means it generally cannot run on its own, and you're going to have the web server in order to run it. But it will run as is, which means it doesn't need to be compiled like other programming languages like C++ or Java program. So we'll be able to just write our PHP, put it on the web server, and we'll be good to go. This next movie, I'll be going to show you on how to get the web server and all the other stuff you need for PHP so that you can actually code and test PHP on your own computer. So see you on next movie on our rytech channel. Thanks for watching.